So last class we discussed about what is power quality and what are the major issues of power qualities. Okay, and we discussed about what is SAG. So from the continuation. So now we are going to discuss about swell. So already we know that SAG. So where swell is nothing but opposite to your SAG. Okay, where SAG is nothing but from the rated value, or we can say RMS value. From the RMS value, if the voltage is reduces, that is the sag. That is also in time, where the time period for this will be very less. Similarly for swell, if voltage is increases beyond this your RMS value, okay, more than your RMS value, so more than your, you can see here I pointing this. Okay, so this is your normal value. So see that swell, so the value of swell value will be increases your normal value, increases the normal value, that is your voltage swell. So see the range of swell here. Okay, so that value will be increases from your normal, or we can say rated RMS value, that is your voltage swell. Okay, so where the time period for the swell also it will be very less, but when comparing to sag time period, the swell time period will be more. Okay, the next will be interruption. Okay, so in sag swell we can take the sag and swell, the voltage will be continuous, either the voltage will be decreases or it may be increases. But in the case of interruption, it will be zero voltage. The customer receives zero voltage at the condition of in the interruption. Okay, after that that is also not for the long time period, it is also for one small time period, that is the interruption. Okay, the next one will be transient. Already I said what is transient. So where transient is nothing but it is when will be normal operations going on, when normal operation. So see here, so this is your normal operation. Okay, so normal operation is going on, suddenly that circuit it may receive some voltages, suddenly the circuit will be receives, that is for only the fraction of second. So that is transient, that is nothing but what, transient. So see here, for positive cycle it will be for little bit of time period only, it will be occurs, little bit of time period only it will be occurs. So see that time period here is that small time very less. Okay, very less time period that transient it occurs. After that we can, that operation will be going on smoothly. After that it will be that changes will be happening for small time period, that is the impulsive transient. That is what, impulsive transient. Next one will be oscillatory transient. So from the diagram itself you can understand that that will be not more than your normal value or not more than your below value, that that circuit will receive continuous voltage, but it will be some changes will be happening here, that is the oscillatory transient. Are you able to understand this? Okay, so the next one will be, next we are going to discuss about the major things. Okay, voltage sag, already what I said, that is the given here that value will be mentioned here with the RMS value per unit value. So 0.1 per unit to 0.9 per unit, the time period will be 0.00833 second to 0.5 second, and that RMS voltage decreases. Okay, there will be three categories of sag. One is instantaneous, momentary, temporary. So instantaneous 0.9 to 0.1 to 0.9, time period will be 0.00833 to 0.5 second, and momentary that same value, but time period will be 0.5 second to 3 second. Temporary will be that voltage range will be 0.1 to 0.9 per unit, time period will be 3 second to 60 second, 3 second to 60 second. So from this itself you can understand the value of sag, and you can understand that what is the sag and what when it will be occurs. Okay, are you able to understand this? So, what are the reasons the sag will be occurs? So, due to that many reasons the sag will be occurs. Mainly this system fault. System fault means single line to ground fault, single line, double line to ground fault, three-phase fault, and switching of heavy loads and large motor starting. Okay, so we can see in your home itself when you're switching on the light, it will be very less voltage. For the very less voltage, there will be heavy spark will be occurs. Thus we consider when large motor is switching on, how much of spark will be occurs, how much of the spark will be occurs. Okay, so these are the main reasons it will be occurs. Okay, are you able to understand this? Are you able to clear? So this is the main reasons this it will be occurs.